Just doing a quick video on these Hong Kong Harry artillery shells. This kit is half noise, half color. The noise shells are red. The color shells are green. They come with 2 tubes since it's packed 6 and 6 for 12. The funny thing is these are red, white, and boom, which is actually a different artillery shell kit. So this is obviously a rewrap or a rebrand of these, but you can get a different kit of these, which is color, but this one's the noise and the color. And at the end of this, there will be a demo of both. This is a Hong Kong Harry noise. This is a Hong Kong Harry.